This is the HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can scan documents on this device as well as, well, onwards turn them into the PDF files. So first of all, we gotta get the app that we will use for it, which we will get from the app gallery. Connect your device to the Wi-Fi and at the search bar type in cam scanner. That is the app that we are looking for. So let's just go ahead and install the app as well as download, of course, first and foremost. So once the app has been successfully downloaded and installed, we can go ahead and launch it. In here, there is little instructions and presentation of what this app is capable of. So just scroll it to the last page, tap to use it now, then I give it the gallery permissions. And in order to scan the document, tap on the camera icon, grant the camera permissions as well. So in here I have the document that I would like to scan on, well, sheet of paper. So simply align it, make it as straight as humanly possible, and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, the document gets somewhat scanned. You can click next, choose the filter even which you would like to apply, make it like grayish, black and white fully, eco, what's not. You can translate it into text, place a signature, markup. So once all the editing that you would like to perform is done, tap on the save. And in here, as you can see, it has been successfully saved into the Files app. Right over here. Into the internal Files app of CamScanner, of course. From here, we can import it into the internal storage as well, into our own Files app. So we'll share the PDF and we'll save it to local. Now once we open the Files app, first of all I gotta find it. That is a good question where I can look the Files application up, but whatever, I'll just search for it. So we'll go for the Files. Here it is. Granted every permission it asks for. And as you can see, this little document that we have just scanned appears exactly over here. Now we can open it with whatever app supports the PDF files. And see the result. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.